Welcome to our video for children. In this video, we will be exploring and explaining the Chinese New Year. So, let's dive right in. The Chinese New Year, also known as the Spring Festival, is one of the most important traditional holidays in China. It is celebrated by Chinese people all around the world. The festival marks the beginning of the lunar calendar year and usually falls between January 21st and February 20th. During the Chinese New Year, families come together to celebrate and enjoy various customs and traditions. One of the most iconic symbols of this festival is the red lantern. These lanterns are hung up everywhere, bringing joy and good luck to the households. Another important tradition is the lion dance. People dress up as lions and perform energetic and lively dances to the beat of drums and cymbals. It is believed that the lion dance scares away evil spirits and brings good fortune for the coming year. Fireworks are also a big part of the Chinese New Year celebrations. People light up the sky with colorful fireworks to ward off evil spirits and welcome a prosperous year ahead. One of the most exciting aspects for children during the Chinese New Year is receiving red envelopes. These envelopes contain money and are given by adults to children as a symbol of good luck and blessings. Food plays a significant role in the Chinese New Year celebrations as well. Families gather to enjoy a festive meal together, which usually includes dumplings, fish, and other traditional dishes. Each dish has its own symbolic meaning, such as prosperity, good health, and happiness. The Chinese New Year is a time for family, joy, and new beginnings. It is a time to honor ancestors, show gratitude, and wish for a prosperous year ahead. So, let's celebrate this special festival together and embrace the rich culture and traditions of the Chinese New Year. Thank you for watching our animated cartoon video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Chinese New Year. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures.